In this video, we're going to repair a repair that I repaired a while ago, but obviously I didn't repair it well enough because it's broken. The plumbing I need to fix is in the wall behind the TV, so I gotta move all this stuff. So it turns out that the problem isn't one of my old repairs, it's actually a new break in the pipe. You can see it right there. This piece of pipe has 5 or 6 couplings in it. There's one right there, I don't know if you can see that. Up there, there's a shark bite that I put in there because I wasn't comfortable soldering that. And then there's another one there, and there's 1 or 2 more down there which you're not going to be able to see. But so with this here, if you can see in there, it's not going to want to focus. But if you can see in there, it's surrounded by wood on all 3 sides. It's in like a nook of combustibles. And I don't feel comfortable soldering that. So for right now, I'm going to put a shark bite on it. And I'm thinking, since I have to run the Ethernet anyway, while I'm doing that, I might replace this, because this plumbing runs through the same bulkhead that I would be running the Ethernet through. So I could probably run them both at the same time. I'm going to have to look into that a little bit more. But for right now, so I can actually wash the cars and water the flowers out front, I'm just going to put a shark bite on this, and that'll get us through to the fall, at least. So I let this repair sit for a few days. I like to do that with plumbing repairs. I'll wait a few days before I close the wall back up, just to make sure it doesn't start leaking again. But I've been thinking about this, and I realize why this pipe keeps breaking in the first place. It's because it's on the exterior side of this double wall. My exterior wall for the front side of my house is a double wall, and the plumbing should be going through the interior side, but it's been run through the exterior side in this case. So what that means is that it doesn't have enough insulation on the exterior side, and it has too much insulation on the interior side, which actually prevents the heat from getting to it in the winter. So these two things combined is probably why this keeps breaking. So what I'm going to have to do is, when I finish running the Ethernet wire, I'm going to have to remove this and run it down the interior side of the double wall. For right now, what I'm going to do is spray some spray foam back there to try to insulate it as best as I can, just in case if I don't get around to doing it before winter comes. Now I just have to wait for the spray foam to set up. bunches of water.